Alright, boys, welcome back to another one. Today we are going to do a little pack opening. And then the Super Bowl, baby. Yes, sir. Nah, but for real, though, we in the Super Bowl now. It's hype. Let's get into it. I hate Jalen Hurts. Oh my god. That doesn't even get my training back. I just realized that. Hmm. That's not a bad one. Forgot what I started at, though. Hmm. Come on, if I get that Derrick Henry. Mari Cooper, that ain't bad at all. Bad, though. My bad, I kind of messed up on my words. I gotta see what he's going for. Um, Wretched. Oh, that looks good. Um, say Derrick Henry is going for like eight. Oh my god, I can't talk. Almost 800K. Matty Ice, that's also another one. He's going for like 710. And then the Honey Badger. Matthew is the only lowest one. Man. It's like a shot to the heart when I get like something lower than like an 84 or something. Dude, no way, bro. Oh my god, bro. 14% my butt. Jesus. Oh my. I'm doing one more and then that's it. It. 5K. Nah. I was thinking I could have probably bought them, but I don't know. $84. Hmm. Oh, I thought that. Well, hey, 93. Hey, 55K. Let's go. Okay. I ain't gonna argue with that. Dude, no way, bro. 90. Oh my god, I'm getting lucky. Opening one more just in case. Alright, yeah, I didn't think so, but hey. I'm gonna open one of these. Let's go. Oh my god. Opening one more. Until I get an 88, which will be most likely be this one, but hey. Can't be mad at that, I guess. Hey. Oh well. Let's go. Dude, that is glitchy, Jesus. Wait, that might be worth something, maybe, but probably not. 14. Yeah, I'll take that. $85, let's go. Alright, I'm gonna check if the music is on. I don't remember. Alright, we are good. Because I'm not trying to get copyrighted or whatever. LTD. Ah, shucks. LTD right here, though. I don't even gotta look. Oh, dang it. These are kind of hitting, though. I'm not gonna lie. They're pretty. Don't make me chew my own words. Oh no. That's all I'm saying is oh no. Stupidly, they're just stupidly expensive for no reason. Like, that is outrageous how I only got. That's crazy. Maybe they're not hitting. Damn. Well, oh well. I'll take 55K though. Bro, get the Cowboys out of here, bro. Oh my god, no way. That's that's crazy. Nothing. It's almost like I knew that. Dude, get these. Come on, all I want is an LTD. Is it really that hard to get? I mean, dang. LTD right here, come on. Right there. Alrighty then. 81, of course, it's one of the worst polls you can get. $93, let's go. It's nice. And of course, I won't get anything good the rest of the time. Just watch. Might get like one good quick sell, but that's about it. Other than that, probably nothing. That's it. That's it. Well, one more pack. I was right. But anyways, this will probably be the last pack, and then I'll go into the games. Nothing really to say. Let's just get it in play. The Cowboys. Alright, let's see what he's throwing. I already know that's mine. Get out of here, bro. You're trash. Alright, let's see what he's playing. Oh, he's blitzing me. Skirt. Too good. Oh my god, this guy's so bad. I gotta cut that out. Alright. What is he doing? Alright, he ain't got none. Oh, he might got the bottom. Nope, stuffed. Alrighty then. Alright, this play. Oh, he's got some underneath. Alright, same play, my guess. No, he's running it. Alright. Alright, okay. Looks like the same old play to me. That's your fault. Alrighty then. What are we doing here? 3 people coming over. Go back. Oh, I almost... Dude, this guy's so trash. God. Watch this touchdown right here. What? Dude, how did that just magically appear in his hand? That's outrageous. That's crazy. Not dumb. He's gonna give it back to me soon. Sooner or later. Let's see. Okay. Alright. No. Oh my god. Whew. Watch, he's playing up on my receiver. He's going to be not wide open, but he's going to be open. Watch. Beautiful pass. I'm going to throw an absolute dime right here. Yeah. For a touchdown? Ah, dang it. Yeah, it kind of worked for the one side. Let's try it on the other side. Cut back up. Oh, he missed it. Oh, my God. All right, if I pick this guy off, we'll definitely have the game in the bag. All right, he throws him. He gets rocked. Is he running the same? Might be a run, though. Run. All right. Gets first down. That's all right. I think he ran this before. I don't know, though. No. Stopped. Thought that was mine. All right. He's running the same play. I think he's going to throw it to that one guy in the middle because I left him off for... Oh, right there. Oh, he's going to get that, I think. Nope. Let's go. All right, it's fourth and 10. Looks like he's doing 4 verts. I got that guy. Oh, that's an interception. There's no way. Oh, damn. My ball though. Oh, my game too. Man, let's go, I guess. But let's go. We deserved that, but at the same time, I wanted that Super Bowl animation. I haven't got that since last year, but anyways, 5,000 trophy packs. I've never opened a trophy pack and a red zone pack, but let's go. Yeah, we're gonna open those, see what we get, and go from there. we're definitely gonna end the video. It's a long one for the day. First off with the red zone. Forgot if these are good, but probably not. Alright, not the best, but not bad, I guess. Alright, next the trophy pack. I hate this animation. It's bugs out on my Xbox. Not bad. Small one. 90. Bet. Alright. That ain't too bad. I hope everything has a 90 and each one has a 90. God dang. Ooh, yikes. That was a bad one. This one can clutch up though. Damn. Oh well. But anyways, yeah. What a game. We deserved that so much. And hope y'all like this one. If y'all are as hyped as me, comment down below. Share to your friends. It's always, helps me out. Maybe your friends like me. I post daily. If not, something's wrong. But yeah, see you on the next one. Love y'all. Bye.